Let's dive into how you can supercharge your automation by connecting DeepSeek's advanced AI capabilities to your existing tools and services through MakeCom first. Navigate to your MakeCom dashboard and click on Create a new scenario to begin building your custom workflow. Once you're in the scenario editor, click the plus icon to add your first module. This is where we'll start by selecting an app to trigger our automation or a tool to initiate an action. In the search bar, type DeepSeek. You'll see the DeepSeek app appear. Select it to add DeepSeek as a module to your scenario. Now, you'll be presented with various DeepSeek operations for this demonstration. Let's choose Create a Completion. This allows us to leverage DeepSeek's text generation capabilities. To connect DeepSeek, you'll need to provide your API key. This is a crucial step for authentication. Once connected, you can select the specific DeepSeek model you wish to use for your AI tasks. Think of this as choosing the AI's specialty. Next, we define the input for our AI in the prompt field. You'll craft your instruction or question for DeepSeek. You can also set parameters like max tokens to control the length of the AI's response. This is where you guide the AI's output. Now, for the real magic, connecting DeepSeek's AI output to other applications, click the plus icon again and select another app. For instance, Google Sheets will choose Add a Row to store the AI-generated content. In the Google Sheets module, you'll map the output from your DeepSeek. Create a completion operation to specific columns in your spreadsheet. This could be the generated text, a summary, or any other data points returned by DeepSeek. This creates a powerful automated loop. DeepSeek generates content based on your prompt, and that content is then automatically saved or further processed in another application. You can chain multiple modules to build complex, customized workflows that leverage AI for enhanced efficiency, from content creation to customer service. Integrate DeepSeek with MakeCom today and witness the transformation of your automated processes.